everyone, welcome back to Makeup and Fashion Diaries. So today's video is going to be on this look right here, which I have created using the liquid eyeshadow, which is by Nicka K. And before you guys ask me, I've ordered everything from Amazon because Amazon have these amazing offers going on, which is super nice. They also have this wardrobe refresh sale, which is starting from 17th December, and they have huge offers. They have like 50 to 80% off on so many products, and plus the delivery is super fast. That you all know how Amazon delivers. They are super fast. Don't forget to check their wardrobe refresh sale, which is starting from December 17th. And also all the products I've used today are gonna be in my description box. So yeah, if you guys wanna know how to achieve this beautiful makeup look, then keep on watching. And don't worry about the product details. Everything will be listed down below in the description box. So don't forget to check that. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm not gonna waste any time and jump right into the video. My eyebrows might look a little funny because I've already filled them and I have no makeup on my face. So first thing first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. So this is in the shade 312 Amber, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this as my eye primer. So apply just a dot and spread it. I heard so many good things about this concealer and I just wanted to try it, so I ordered so many things from Amazon. So till the time I'm doing my eye makeup, I will just keep you zoomed in. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this shade right here and just put this shade all over my eyelids just to make them ready for some eyeshadow and some darker shades. So second shade I'm gonna be taking is this rusty shade right here. It's such a gorgeous shade. I don't know how it's coming on the camera with the lights and all, but it's really pretty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that in my socket and just blend it everywhere. Any smoky eye would look really silly until you just have your final result. So don't worry about anything. I'm going to make everything work. Just trust the process and just keep doing it with me if you guys are following me right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to literally put this all over my eyes, on my eyelids as well, and then kind of keep blending it towards the outer area. Okay, so the next shade I'm going to be taking is this brown shade. It's a pretty dark brown shade. I don't know why, because of my lighting I think it's not picking up, but it's a very beautiful brown shade. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of make a C right here and then start blending it in my crease like so. So my ring light just died, so now my colors might look a little different. As I was telling you guys, this brown is not looking that vibrant on that because of the ring light. I'm going to take that fluffy brush which I just applied my base shade with, and I'm just going to very slightly blend the edges because I don't want any harsh lines. As you can see, this is a harsh line, so you just have to kind of blend because it looks really bad when you don't blend this. I think we're done with the eyes. Now I'm going to pop some glitter. So this is the Radiant Liquid Eyeshadow by Nicka K, and it's in the shade Croyd Titan. I am not able to pronounce this, but I'll put that in the description box. And don't worry about the edges. I will be blending that with some darker shade so that it looks really nicely blended. To blend the edges, I'm going to take a darker shade, and I'm thinking to go with this black shade right here. Take a pointy side to anything and just kind of keep it there for the base so that you don't mess things up if you ever go out of line. Just blend towards this side. Okay, so the eyes are almost done. My eyeliner and my eyelashes that I'll do in the end. But before, I'm going to cover my face because it's full of marks. My foundation today is Milani, and this is their Conceal Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Plus Concealer. This is in the shade Medium Beige, and I'm going to just cover my face in that. So now I'm going to apply my foundation. This is the Milani foundation in the shade Medium Beige, and I'm gonna just blend it all over my face. Spread it with this brush and then blend it with the beauty blender. And now I think my eyebrows will look a little normal. So this color looks shade lighter, which is good. I mean, if it oxidizes then it'll look good, but don't worry, I will be bronzing and also covering my neck. Okay, now the rest of the product I'm going to take on the sponge and start blending. So right now I might be looking like a ghost, but don't worry, in person it's not looking that bad, and plus I'm going to be bronzing my skin. Sometimes because of the lighting also it looks that white, because in person it's not actually looking that this white, which I can see in the viewfinder it is looking white. So once that's done, I'm going to conceal underneath my eyes, and also I'm going to highlight with this because this is a very light shade concealer. So I'm going to put that right here, a little bit here on the bridge of my nose, and a little bit on my chin, and a little bit here, just to kind of brighten things up. And then I'm going to take my beauty sponge and blend it really carefully, because I don't want to spoil my eyeshadow now. This concealer is so good. It's so lightweight, blending so effortlessly. That's really nice. So good. I can't even tell you how good this concealer is. I've heard a lot of things about this concealer but never got a chance to try it, but now I have it and it's so good. So now I'm going to set my under eyes using this Sugar translucent powder. It's totally white and it has this black velvety sponge, which is superb. So I'm going to take generous amount and just set my under eyes. It's really important that you make sure there are no lines before you set your concealer, because you don't want to set the lines underneath your eyes, otherwise they will be visible. And also I will just set everywhere I've just applied the foundation. I'm telling you guys, I might look like a ghost. In person I'm not looking like a ghost. I told you I will be bronzing my skin really nicely. To bronze up my skin today, I'm going to be using this Makeup Revolution palette. This is their Ultra Contour palette, and this comes up with so many different shades, as you can see. So I'm going to be mixing these two shades to contour my face today, and I'm going to be taking a very soft brush to do that. First I'm going to be mixing both of these shades to kind of contour and use a very gentle stroke. If I feel that I need more, I can always go and add more. You can see the difference. This side looks so contoured, and make sure that you just tap the excess on your palm first, because you don't want that patch to be there. Okay, now I'm gonna do my forehead because it's really big, and then I'm gonna do my jawline. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a small brush to do my nose contour, and because I want it to look really thin. And then I'm gonna connect that towards the eyebrows and my eyeshadow. I'm gonna do my kajal now. So for that I have this new kajal. This is a brand called Lenfer, the brand which I also have a blush from. I think I'll just put a little bit of this blush as well, because my skin is looking very dull because I don't have any color on my face. Let's see how this kajal is. This kajal is called Stare Me Kajal, and it's really black. I'm gonna just put that in my waterline, upper and lower both. So now time for some eyeliner, but the thing is that I have this eyeliner from L'Oreal. This is Flash Cat Eye, which comes with this stencil, and you can kind of just draw your eyeliner, which I'm super excited to try. But the problem is, more than this, I'm excited to try some magnetic eyelashes, which, oh my god, I'm so excited to try these. And it comes with its own eyeliner, so I have to put this eyeliner because otherwise it won't stick. So I think I'm gonna go with this Caloris eyelash and eyeliner kit magnetic. So yeah, it's pretty thick. So I'm gonna do my eyeliner and just zoom you guys a little bit. It's pretty tough to apply this because of my heavy glittery eyeshadow, but I'll make it work. And I'm thinking to do my basic winged eyeliner. You know what, I just realized I could have done the wing part with the L'Oreal eyeliner and then I could have gone with this one. Okay, so now I have to wait for a minute. I'll just do my lipstick. So I'm gonna be taking this Sugar Good Mood crayon. This is 04 Badass. It's a very pretty muted pinky tone color which looks so good. Okay, so that's the lip shade. I'm really happy with this color. And now for the fun part. Okay, they also give you 3 options. So there are 3 options right here, which I'm super excited. I think I'm gonna go in with this one. They look really nice, and I'm gonna zoom you guys in, like really zoom you guys in, because I want you to see how it clings to your eyelashes. And also they give you these tweezers to apply your falsies. Are you guys ready? I'm super excited. So I'm just gonna hold this and place it on my eyes. Oh my god, it works. It works, you guys. So the only problem I think with these eyelashes are they're going down, like they're not going up. I'm trying to do that. So let's do the lower lash line now before I forget it. So I'm gonna grab this palette right here. Okay, so I'm gonna take this rusty shade and run that underneath my lower lash line quickly. I'm gonna take this brown shade, dust off the excess and do my lower lash line.